Did you know one of Jesus' closest friends refused to believe he came back from the dead? Thomas was one of the 12 disciples, but when the others told him Jesus had risen, he said something shocking. He demanded to see the nail marks in Jesus' hands and put his finger in the wounds. He wanted physical proof before he would believe. Most people would be offended by such doubt, but Jesus did something amazing. 8 days later, he appeared to Thomas and said, "Put your finger here and see my hands. Reach out your hand and put it in my side. Do not doubt, but believe." Jesus actually invited Thomas to touch his wounds. He didn't get angry or reject him for doubting. Instead, he met Thomas exactly where he was and gave him the evidence he needed. Thomas's response was incredible. He immediately declared, "My Lord and my God." This doubting disciple made one of the strongest statements of faith in the entire Bible. Sometimes our biggest doubts can lead to our greatest faith.